Hello, my dear friends. Today we're going to talk about reasons why do we need crown instead of the filling. Sometimes we go to the dentist and we notice something happened with the tooth and we see like we probably lost the filling or something is going wrong. You go to the dentist, you ask him, Doc, can I get a filling? And the doc tells you, no, you need a crown. So what are those reasons when we need crowns instead of the filling? My name is Dr. Dmitry Gorbatov. I'm a practicing cosmetic and holistic dentistry for the less than 30 years. My practice is in Hollywood, Florida, right on South Ocean Drive. So the first reason is when the tooth is after root canal treatment. And usually those are the back teeth. So when the tooth is after root canal treatment, it's basically empty inside. Even if we put the post and we put composite inside, which is looking like a tooth, but it's not actual tooth. So if you bite down a tooth like that after the root canal treatment, you can bite on one wall of the tooth or another wall of the tooth. And tooth basically get cracked very easily. So when the tooth is after root canal treatment, we crown the tooth completely. We put 360-degree coverage, we put full crown around, so when you're biting down, the forces are distributed equally right on the whole tooth, not only one wall or another wall. In other reasons we put crowns instead of the filling, when there is a failing restorations, failing filling. So it means that the tooth was done, the filling was done for the tooth, and maybe it's like a 3/4 of the tooth was done from the composite material. Composite materials pretty strong materials, but not strong enough to restore 3/4 of the tooth, especially if interproximal areas are involved to the side of the tooth. So it means that when the doctor put that filling, they cure it with a curing light, it got some shrinkage. So if they got shrinkage, you got some small gapping underneath of that filling. So over the time, bacteria and food impaction can cause that decay underneath of the crown, and only figure it out that we got that problem once the tooth start hurting you. So it means that that cavity went to the root canal and you start feeling getting inflammation inside of the root canal. So it means that when you got the big filling, we're restoring those teeth with not the new filling, but with the crown to make sure the tooth is completely covered. You're not biting one of the walls of the tooth, and all the damaged part of the tooth have to be underneath of the crown. So it has to be right there, not contacting with the saliva or any bacteria or any food. Another reason when we restore the tooth with the crown is when the tooth got fractured. Let's say somebody is biting something hard by accident, or somebody just got severe grinding and enamel is gone and teeth are becoming weak and they could prone to crack, especially the back teeth, the molars. So when we see teeth like this, we crown them completely to make sure that tooth will not crack further, because could be some of the cracks are visible, some of the cracks invisible. So we make sure we're not taking any chances. We crown the tooth, and then we got peace of mind. We know the tooth not gonna split. Another reason we put crowns when we have a teeth which is discolored teeth. Somebody got tetracycline teeth, somebody got hypoplasia of enamel, which has got white spots on the teeth, and those teeth are not so strong. The enamel is not so strong. It's pretty weak. It's pretty soft, so it could easily be decayed. So in cases like this, we restore those teeth with the crown so we can control the color. We can basically substitute enamel to ceramic to make sure that that outside portion of the tooth is strong and nice looking. If you do have any questions, you have any restorations inside of your mouth which is questionable, you don't know what to do, please contact us, call us up, and come and we'll take a look. We'll tell you our honest opinion, what has to be done properly in your case. We encourage our patients make smart and knowledgeable decision before they before they do anything. Please give us a call if you got a case like this. Thank you very much for your attention. Please subscribe to our channel. Feel and look your best. Bye.